Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to filter websites on SentryPC. So first, in your dashboard, go to Content Filtering and Websites. Click on Rules and edit rule for the user next to a user that you want to edit rules for. Now, what subdomain, domain or extension is this rule for? So you can type in, the examples are here, so you can type in the star icon and the .com, so all .com domains will be excluded. For example, google.com, so only the Google will be excluded. Star.google.com, all subdomains of Google, and subdomain.google.com, only the subdomain google.com. So let's say I don't know, okay, like the example said, google.com. Okay, it's not working, so just Google. Google.com, please. Okay, I can't find it. That's probably because I have the demo version. Next, you can select day to edit. So let's say Friday. And the user will be able to open the google.com from 9 to 5. So let's select it. And you can apply this rule for additional users. Then save the settings. Go into the settings. Edit the user next to the username. And enable website filtering rule for this user. So yeah, it must be enabled, because if it's disabled, then it's not working. Block all websites by default. So you can block all the websites, excluding rules. Close browser on block. Redirect to homepage is the default, so we can enable that. So if the user goes to the browser that it's not supposed to, then it will be redirected to homepage, and you can notify user when the websites are blocked. Let's say yes, and you can apply these settings to additional user. That's it. Don't forget to save the settings and leave a like, and see you in the next one.